On Destination WA, we love the places that show off the best of the West. And here in Fremantle, this one does it with limestone walls, wild ideas, good coffee, and just enough creative temptation to make you think, maybe I could be an artist. Walyalup Fremantle Arts Centre is one of our state's most loved creative spaces. If you've ever wanted to unleash your inner artist, this is a really good place to start. And you don't need to know the difference between oils and acrylics, you don't need to own a pair of linen pants, and you certainly don't need to say things like, I'm so interested in the negative spaces. Let's go get inspired. The building itself is part of the experience. It's grand, but not intimidating. It dates back to the 1860s, and it has lived many, many lives. The galleries are free to visit, open 7 days a week, and they are constantly changing. Just walk in curious and you will not be disappointed. I think some people worry that art galleries are here to test them. That's not what they're here for. You are absolutely allowed to look at something and it makes you feel good and say, I like that. You're also absolutely allowed to look at something and say, I do not understand that, but I like it and I would like it in my home. What does that mean though? So this destination is not just about looking, it's about being inspired and doing, unleashing your own creativity. The Arts Centre runs classes across ceramics, painting, drawing, printmaking, textiles, jewellery, writing and much, much more. You can come as a complete beginner, bring the kids in the holidays, try a weekend workshop or sign up for a course. And this is one of the learning spaces where the magic happens. Alida is one of the ceramics teachers, also jewellery, and she's teaching a class later on today. We have spent many an hour in here during school holidays. It's a great place to come. You get messy, you're creative. Do not come here and expect to be perfect. Just enjoy yourself. This place is a feast for all your senses, including your taste buds. The cafe makes this an easy stop for coffee or lunch. Then there's the shop, and I have found lots of things I would like to take home with me. It is filled with contemporary WA design. It's dangerous in the best possible way, and all of a sudden, I feel committed to supporting local artists, and all of the creative arts are served up here, with the local council keenly supporting the arts as well. Benjamin, tell me something great about this place and the city that you live in.
Well, creative port cities are a thing around the globe, Chrissy, and this is a wonderful spot to bring visitors. It's been the heart of Fremantle's kind of creative scene since 1974. That's 3 years since before I was born. And our 10 Nights in Port series is actually this is going to be the home of a dragon kiln, where it's a festival running from August 20th to August 30th. And there's be fire, there'll be food, there'll be music, there'll be art. Well, you just have to come and find out. There'll be ceramics being made and be a whole lot of fun.
Okay. I love that about this place. One day it's a quiet gallery visit, another day it's a class, another day it's coffee in the courtyard. And then suddenly, like the mayor's just said, it is winter in Fremantle and someone is lighting up a giant fire sculpture. So the next time you're in Fremantle, head up the hill to the Walyalup Fremantle Arts Centre. You might discover a new artist, uncover your own hidden talent, enjoy an event, coffee, pick up a little something from the gift shop for yourself. Either way, it'll be an excellent day in WA.